WeCP lets you assess COBOL experts on their hands-on expertise with COBOL. Let's see how it works. After you send a COBOL task to candidates, candidates open the task on the browser. Here, candidates enter their details and start their test. Here, you can see you got the problem statement on the left side of the window, in which you have to read the student records and calculate the total grades by summing the 3 grades, and output the result in another file format. You have the test cases in which you have input test cases as well as expected output test cases. Now launch the server. Here you can see a source file in which you have the code stub that you have to complete. You've also got a file where you can write your inputs in order to run against, in order to get the output. Let's complete this code stub. Now I have completed the code stub. Let's run this code. You can see here that you got the output, which is the same as the expected output. So that means our code is correct. Now test and submit this code in order to run against the test cases. Here you can see my test cases have been passed, and I have completed the COBOL assessment.